Hello, my name is Kacper and I work as an engineer at MTS Technik. In this video, I'd like to present the coilover suspension kit designed for the Volkswagen Auto Group PQ34 platform-based vehicles with four-wheel drive. The front axle is equipped with two threaded shock absorbers finished in gold zinc plating, both featuring the hexacoil adjustment nut. Hexacoil, thanks to the use of a clamping screw, significantly enhances the ease of adjusting your suspension height. Front strut towers, besides the shock absorber and springs, also include dedicated bump stops, dust covers, as well as black anodized aluminum spring caps. The front and rear springs are produced by the German company eibach. Front springs are ERS-type springs with linear characteristics. Thanks to their internal diameter of 60 mm, they allow for easy replacements with springs of different stiffness. The front kit also includes helper springs, which provides preload for the main springs. Rear springs, on the other hand, have progressive characteristics, ensuring maximum comfort and excellent driving performance. The rear axle kit consists of two sport shock absorbers with a shortened stroke, tailored for lower suspension with increased dampening force compared to the original shock absorbers, as well as black anodized aluminum height adjusters and plastic spring caps. Our kit comes with an adjustment wrench, MTS Technik stickers, and any necessary documentation, such as installation manual and TUV certificate. Thanks for watching.